Did you know that a baby's brain doubles in size within the first year of life? This rapid growth sets the stage for a myriad of fascinating developmental milestones, one of which we'll delve into today: the act of a baby rolling over. Picture this. A young couple, Jane and John, are first-time parents. They've welcomed a beautiful baby girl, Lily, into their world. Every blink, every smile, every tiny motion Lily makes is a source of wonder and joy for them. Just a couple of months into her life, Lily starts showing signs of a significant developmental milestone: rolling over. It begins subtly, with Lily turning her head from side to side while lying on her back. Jane and John notice this change and can't contain their excitement. They know Lily is preparing to roll over soon. Rolling over is an important step in a baby's life. It's the first big move towards mobility. It not only strengthens the baby's neck, arms, and torso, but also develops their coordination and balance. Around the third or fourth month, Lily starts to lift her head and shoulders off the floor using her arms during tummy time. This is a clear signal that she's getting ready to roll over. Jane and John encourage Lily's efforts by placing a toy slightly out of her reach during tummy time. They watch in awe as Lily pushes up, rolls over, and reaches for her favorite toy. This journey of Lily rolling over is not just a physical development, but also a cognitive one. As Lily learns to roll over, she's understanding the concept of cause and effect. She realizes that if she pushes her arms against the floor, she can move. This understanding is a stepping stone to many more developmental milestones to come. Now, not all babies follow the same timeline. Some may roll over as early as 3 months, while others may take slightly longer, and that's perfectly okay. Each baby is unique and develops at their own pace. Jane and John understand this and celebrate each of Lily's achievements, no matter how small. As the story of Lily unfolds, it's important to remember that while milestones are significant, they are not the only measure of a baby's growth. Each baby is unique, and comparing them to others may not always provide an accurate picture of their development. In conclusion, the journey of a baby learning to roll over is a beautiful blend of physical and cognitive development. It's a milestone that sets the stage for further mobility and understanding of the world around them. So, let's ponder on this. How does the act of rolling over contribute to a baby's overall development? And what other milestones can this seemingly simple act pave the way for? Remember, every tiny development is a significant step in the grand journey of growth. As we wrap up this journey of exploration, we sincerely hope you found this video insightful. If you did, please take a moment to like this video. Your support means the world to us. And remember, our community is continuously growing just like Lily. To be a part of this wonderful community, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. By doing so, you'll join a family that cherishes every milestone in a child's life, just as you do. Moreover, to ensure you never miss out on our latest videos, click on the notification bell. This way you'll get notifications each time we unveil a new chapter in our exploration of child development. In closing, we want to extend a warm thank you for accompanying us on this journey. Your presence makes all the difference. Until next time, keep celebrating every tiny leap in your child's growth.